Okay, here's your third video for February 2nd, 2023. And right now it's about 2:26 in the afternoon, and I see they got the shovels ready. I don't know what they're doing. Probably they're going to fix the hole or something. Yep. That's the other update. I think I see a guy over there on the phone. Let's hope they leave. Maybe a little later by 4:30, 5 o'clock. I didn't know they were here, but I spotted it by accident when I was getting ready to use something. Yep. And it got everything to be complete, but took like about 4 weeks. Yeah, since day one. And let's hope they bring some carts in as soon as they can. So I guess that wraps it up for this third video for February 2nd, 2023, and I'll see you next time for more updates about it. Until then, your cameraman Daniel Drupsky signing off. Later.